So, ladies and gentlemen, the two cases referred to occurred during the Obasanjo administration, in which both His Excellency, the former Vice President, and my humble self were a part of. And it is true that in those cases the governors were suspended. These suspensions were challenged in the courts. And in 2006, the Supreme Court of Nigeria gave a judgment clearly stating that even though by then Dele had been restored to office, but lashed the Obasanjo administration and said that under no circumstances would the emergency provisions in Section 305 be used to remove any elected official. That is the law. The Supreme Court has spoken. No legislation or constitutional amendment has changed that. So that is the law. No one, no person or authority can remove an elected official, whether governor, deputy governor, or member of the legislature, without going through the due process of law. In the case of governor, via impeachment. In the case of legislators, through recall. Those are the only ways you can remove an elected person. You cannot tamper with the mandate of the people under Section 305 of the Constitution. The Supreme Court has spoken, and it's very, very clear. What President Tinubu has done is violently unconstitutional and unlawful. And our hope is that the National Assembly will, for once today, this National Assembly, that everyone accuses of being Robusta, will at least for once stand with the people of Nigeria. Thank you.